I need me some Buddha. Morning everyone, it's Rose and welcome to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another video, and say hello to Natty. Today I am going to be showing you guys what I'm eating. I am going to film a very classic and very casual what I ate in a day video to show you guys everything I'm eating today as a vegan. So I'm actually staying at my parents' house at the moment because I'm watching Natty. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna eat. I have no plans. It's just literally going to be whatever I feel like today. So let's see what happens. Natty, what are you eating? Oh, I guess you're eating baseball. Is that what you're eating today? Oh no, you're eating leaf. No! No! First of all, you guys, I just want to say Happy New Year. Oh my gosh, it is 2020. What is going on? Where is the time going? I have no idea. It is 2020. It is a new year, which means we gotta start off the new year with a bang. So to kick off this new year, guys, I have a huge announcement. As you guys know, I have a new ebook out that is called Everyday Asian Recipes. And if you do not have your copy, I have a huge, crazy deal for you today that is literally insane. Like, I can't even believe it myself. So I teamed up with a bunch of vegan influencers and vegan creators to create a vegan bundle to help you guys live a more plant-based lifestyle for this new year. So this vegan bundle is composed of 60 different vegan ebooks. So lots and lots of different vegan recipes, fitness tips, vegan lifestyle tips, all of that good stuff. 60 different ebooks from different creators, and we are selling this at a crazy discount. We're selling this at a 96% discount. Yes, you heard me correctly. So this vegan bundle composed of 60 ebooks is being sold now for $50. We are selling this for $50 only. So to give you some context, my Everyday Asian Recipes ebook is in this bundle, and that is sold separately for $25. So for double that price, you get literally 59 more ebooks, and it is absolutely insane. Literally, if you bought every single ebook separately, it would cost you over $1,300, and today it is being sold for $50. This bundle is available for a limited time only, so do not forget to get your hands on this. This is such a great deal, and it is so great to get you started off the new year right. There are so many ebooks from different creators. I'm just gonna like flash a bunch here so you guys know, you guys get an idea of who is participating in this bundle. I'm so excited to check out these ebooks myself and just be inspired all over again. So yes, go to the link down below to purchase your vegan bundle and get your hands on 60 different vegan ebooks for only $50. All right, now it is time to make some breakfast. But first, let me find, oh, hello, I know. I'll take you for a walk soon, okay? I'm gonna have some more coffee. So I've already had some coffee. I'm gonna have the rest of this. Oh, I made quite a bit of coffee, didn't I? What do you want from me, Natty? What do you want from me? Hi, baby. Alright, so this is what I had for breakfast yesterday, but I really enjoyed it, so I'm gonna have it again, and I have some leftovers anyways. So I have avocado, so I'm gonna do one toast with avocado and some tomato, and I'm gonna top it with some tempeh. Yes. And then one with peanut butter and banana. Here we go. We've got avocado on toast with tomato, salt, and pepper. I'm gonna put some tempeh on top. I just wanted to show you guys because this is much prettier. We also have some peanut butter. This is just all natural peanut butter, nothing else in it, with some banana. And I got some leftover banana here that I'll probably finish. And yeah, that's it. So I'll just put the tempeh here like this on top, and then I can eat it. Simple. See, it's not as pretty when you got the tempeh in there. So yes, that's what I'm gonna eat for breakfast, and I'm also gonna have my coffee. There we go, guys. So Tempeh, if you guys don't know, let me just sip some coffee. Tempeh, if you guys don't know, is like a fermented soy product, and I believe it is less processed than tofu. And this one is a maple bacon flavor. So I just like pan fried it according to the instructions. You can buy this in like, I don't know, the health food section or health food stores or something like that. And at first, when I first tried tempeh, I really didn't like it. I thought it was like kind of strange and weird, tasted weird and all that stuff. But now I'm like, I love it so much. So it's really good and it's really high in protein. So the reason why I have two different kinds of toast, I just like having a little mixture of like savory and sweet. I'm definitely more of a savory person, but sometimes I like a little sweet. So that was delicious. And now I'm gonna have a little bit of like dessert, having some persimmons. So persimmons are kind of like an Asian fruit. It's like orange on the outside. And then inside, well, it's still orange, okay? And Nadi loves persimmons. Like, she's like obsessed. So I'm gonna have to give her a little bit. And I'm gonna probably have a little bit. It's super sweet. This is like really ripe right now. And it makes it like really sweet. So I'm gonna have a little piece, not too much. Just gonna take the skin off. Yeah. So I'm gonna have this and I'll give the rest to Nadi. So sweet. Let's give Nadi some persimmons. Nadi, stay. Sit. Nadi, high five. Wait. Nadi, no. Nadi. Nadi, come. Nadi, sit. Nadi, sit. She's so excited. High five. Good girl. Okay, I'll give you one. Good girl. Nadi, come. Nadi, sit. Nadi, sit. Nadi, down. Nadi, you got it. Nadi, down. Good girl. Nadi, roll over. Good girl. So, Nadi, high five. Let's do another high five. Nadi, down. Nadi, sit. Nadi, paw. Good girl. Here, just have it all. Why are dogs so funny? Now I'm gonna take Nadi for a nice walk. Right, Nadi? 산책 갈까? Nadi, 산책 갈까? 나리야, 산책 갈까? 산책 갈까? Are you excited? Time for a walk. Be right back. Alright guys, so there's been a little change of plans. Apparently there has been a leakage at my cafe. So like a water leakage. So I have to go in. Unfortunately, I don't even, oh Nadi. So I have to go in, and even though like we're closed today, so we're closed for the holidays, but I have to go in and clean up and stuff like that. So well, this sucks. That's just part of life. So I have to go and do some cleaning, I guess. Nadi's going crazy. I have to leave Nadi at home for a little bit, but yeah. All right guys, I just got home. Hi baby, I'm sorry. Just had to take care of some stuff. It's not fully taken care of, but I did what I could at that moment. And now it's like many hours later. It's like 2 o'clock and I'm really hungry, but I know Nari probably wants a walk. So I'm gonna eat something quickly. I was planning on making like some kind of nice lunch, but I think I'm just gonna have to eat leftovers. But I'll make something nice for dinner, I think. Okay, this is really sad, but this is reality, and this is probably what I would eat if I wasn't filming. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna eat. So I have some leftover sushi that I made yesterday, and it's pretty ugly, but you know, it's still sushi. I actually made these like vegan California rolls, which I know they're kind of ugly. It doesn't look very delicious, but they are really, really good, and you can find the recipe actually in my Everyday Asian Recipes ebook. So yay. And then there's some like little avocado rolls, and this one I accidentally made it. I was supposed to make it like that, but I made it like this. So I just have these little pieces left, and then I have some leftover tofu. Oh my god, this is like so sad, but whatever. I'm just gonna eat this quickly. This is leftover tofu with a nice like spicy sauce, and it's really good. But yeah, again, eating leftovers. And for the sushi, I'm gonna obviously dip it in soy sauce, but I also have some sriracha mayo that I have left over from yesterday too. So this is just vegan mayo mixed with sriracha. So that's my very sad leftover lunch. And then I'm gonna take little Miss Nari for a walk. I also decided to have a little bit of rice with kimchi too, to go with the tofu. All right, so that was actually really good, even though the rice on the sushi was quite hard because I made it yesterday, and I think even yesterday the rice was already like a day old, but it was still really good. And tofu was good, kimchi was good, rice was good. Can't complain. Actually, I could complain. There's a lot to complain about, but I won't. Oh, Miss Natty over here, I think she wants a little adventure, so I'm gonna take her out on a walk. It is a really nice day, so hopefully we can get a nice walk and I won't think about what just transpired at the cafe. So this is the reality, guys, of owning your own establishment, your own business. When things happen, yeah, it's annoying and frustrating, but it's part of owning your own establishment. So you just have to deal with it. A lot of things happen, like things break all the time. We've had dishwashers break, we've had fridges break. We just had another fridge break the other day, and now another dishwasher potentially broken. Who knows? We don't know. So yeah, things always happen, things always go wrong. That's just part of life. It's part of not just owning your own business, but just part of life in general. So just have to roll with it, okay? It could always be worse. So yup. Let's take Miss Natty for a walk. Hi, Natty. Why are you so beautiful? Natty. 산책 갈까? 나리 산책 갈까? 나리 산책 갈까? 산책. 나리 산책 가자. 나리 산책 갈까? 산책. Look at your tail. Are you excited? Are you excited? You want to go for a walk? Yeah, you do. Let's go. Oh my gosh, you're waiting so patiently, Natty. You want to go? Oh. So I'm just taking Natty to a field. So we've been going into this like fenced off baseball field so that we can play fetch, because Natty loves to run and just explore. It's a nice day. It's a lovely day. Everything's gonna be okay. Natty, what's this? You wanna play? She now does this thing where she'll run for the ball, but she doesn't bring it back. Natty, you're supposed to get this. Wanna get the ball? Natty, come! You're supposed to bring it to me. Alright, I got back and I put on some makeup and I'm gonna film a different video. But first, I think I need to do a little meditation because I feel like I need it. I need some Zen, I need me some Buddha. Anyways, I need to like chill, like zen out a little bit, de-stress. It's still an ongoing situation, but I keep thinking about it and I just like wanna just, you know, like there's no point of me stressing about it at the moment because there's nothing I can do at the moment. So I don't wanna ruin this day by stressing about it. So I'm gonna meditate and then I'm gonna film, and hopefully little Miss Natty, where is she? Where did she go? There she is. Hopefully little Miss Natty is okay with me just meditating and will allow me to meditate. Oh gosh, what a day. Okay, anyways, let me meditate and then I'll film and I'll see you guys at dinner actually, or if I decide to have a snack, which I don't know, we'll see, maybe. Alright you guys, so it is dinner time. I decided to make more sushi. I know. I thought, you know, my lunch was a little bit sad, even though it was still good, but I want to redeem myself and actually make some good sushi. I'm just kind of like wanting more sushi. So I'm just going to make some more sushi. I'm actually making the California rolls as well as some other rolls. So the California roll recipe can be found in my Everyday Asian Recipes ebook. So I'm making that as well as some like veggie, just basic rolls. Let's just see what happens. I'm also watching Sex and the City while I'm doing this, okay? Yeah, I just kind of want to like indulge tonight. I've had a stressful day, okay? So I'm gonna make some sushi, maybe even like cook up some ramen. I'm just gonna like Go all out, okay? Okay. Here we have avocado, peppers, cucumber, and carrot. And then I'm gonna make the California rolls, so I'll be right back. Here it is. Here's some sushi. So we got veggie and avocado rolls. We also have vegan California rolls. The avocados kind of went brown, so that's why it kind of looks not so pretty. But yes, once again, recipe is in my ebook. Once again, vegan bundle, you can get this recipe plus so many different recipes. And I also made some sriracha mayo. As usual, I'm just going to do a little ooh, fancy. Going all out today, guys. I deserve this. Ooh la la. And guys, I've had a stressful day. I'm gonna go all out. I'm also gonna have some veggie ramen. This is Korean instant noodles. I'm gonna make one of these. I'm probably not gonna eat all the sushi, but I'll definitely eat some of it, at least half of it. And some ramen. I just want it, okay? What can I say? Food truly makes me so happy. So we have ramen here. Can we just do a little like, oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, some instant ramen. We got some kimchi to go with the ramen. We got my sushi. Oh my God, I'm so pumped. I deserve this, okay? I had a long, stressful day. I deserve this food. Let me eat it and enjoy myself, okay? All right, I did the best I could. Finished the ramen, but this is what's left over of the sushi. I'm so full. All right, everyone. All right, everyone, so that wraps it up for what I ate today. Actually, I'm gonna have a little dessert. Forgot about dessert. I'm gonna have one of these chocolate almonds. So this is just like a generic chocolate almond thing from Safeway. This is dark chocolate almonds. And yes, it's vegan, yo. Just gonna have one of these and that should, oh my God, I'm so full. So just one of these. That's my dessert. And just gonna chill with Natty for a little bit. So that's it, you guys. Hope you enjoyed what I ate today and spending the day with me and Natty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And of course, guys, don't forget to grab yourself the vegan bundle for 96% off all of those amazing ebooks. The link is down below. It is limited time only, so do not forget to get one of those. And Natty wants to play, so I'm gonna let you go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! You wanna say goodbye to the viewers? Say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Bye, Natty.